I want his piano.
I will bring you his piano, and I will place it on your head.
I want his piano.
I will bring you his piano.
I want you. What the hell are you?
We'll see. I will bring you your head.
So you know where my head is?
Yes, boss. Your head is bad. Real bad.
What the hell are you? I want a man. So they call him some?
Yes. His real name is Joe. They call him Sam. He speaks fluent Chinese.
Have you been circumcised?
So, I'm lying there in the most beautiful bed. So anyway, this guy
I've heard enough of these stories.
So, I'm lying there in bed with you, and you tell me that the bed is dead bodies.
Come to my office.
Oh, he'll talk again.
Thanks, nurse.
Would you like to see? Your doctor.
Yeah, I have. A good doctor.
The doctors have been circumcised, too. Would you like to see?
Yes. Yes.
Well, then let's see.
No. I have a jumbo jet.
Everything you did was wrong. You're the moron. Your head cost me my head.
Hey, I've been here 1 week.
And just how long? 1 week. 1 week? 1 month? Next year? And I don't want your head. I want your ass.
All right.
My ass hurts. But I don't have a big ass. This man is one big ass. If he's here 1 more week, I might die of ass attack, and I don't like that. God damn you, head, knees, ass, hand, face.
We need him.
You son of a mother... Al Capone once said, there is enough money for all of Al Capone. We are not Al Capone. We are Chinese.
Chinese is not Japanese.
Baby, I'm always in.
Okay, Mr. Sam, now that you're in the restaurant, I've got some interesting food for you.
Right now, I say you and I have this restaurant. Are you food?
What do you want?
So you're the shit.
And this client of yours is gonna need like shit.
Oh, I got a shit.
Get the hell out of the hell.
I'll insult you and my client.
And yeah, this is shit. We respect shit, not this country. Schools are for children, not for men. Mothers, they continue to make children. I'll have their stinking children in stinking schools. By the way, what's a garbage girl like you doing with bodies?
I'm a waitress, I would speak to you, but you can't speak. Everybody is alive, as far as I'm aware. I have enough trouble controlling my own grandparents. And the waitress is swinging their grandparents. These are the grandparents. When did I get grandparents? I mean, I'm sick of you.
I'll have their garbage in garbage bags.
In that case, you'll insult me. I have no rights.
We have many things.
This is hell. Land of me.
This is the land of shit. Garbage men distribute secret fertilizer to garbage mothers to make garbage children. I'll continue killing garbage men to make bodies. By the way, what's a garbage girl like you doing with American girls?
When she was little, she couldn't help thinking that there was a great big girl. When she was 41, she couldn't 41 cars crashing. God, it's so painful. Some cars crashing.
Our bodies are garbage bags. I'll distribute drugs to children.
Talk to me.
Someone coming? Got it.
There he is.
Right. Well, now, this is a first. No,
Okay. I'm sitting.
now, this is potatoes. Boiling water. It's brilliant water. I don't know myself, but I'm very professional. Cut people in half. This is my little special onion.
What does katana mean?
Katana.
This is Katana. She's got a katana. This is Moana. She's got a mow lawn. This is Sana. This is.
I am a guy. I am things. Think about if Walmart is Walmart. I should wax my nuts. I think wax is a healthy snack.
Right now I'm thinking about my mother.
Think about if a friend were hot.
Think about how I could get McDonald's if I get nude.
Times I think how old guys like to think about a hot dog. And how if I start eating a hot dog, I would be old.
I think about the president's poop.
And look what they've done to my ass.
Right on.
Fuck you. You'll have to go to surgery to get my ass. I got my foot. Get it, foot. This man is one head, and there are 3 heads. Up in jail, how many heads? Talking heads.
And you may find a beautiful shotgun, and you may ask your wife, well, how did I find this? You may find yourself living at the bottom of the ocean, and you may tell yourself, this is water.
I think a handful of ocean is a healthy ocean.
Think about sleeping on other people.
On the other hand, if it's the wrong house, then we'll apologize to the house. If you hear running, come shooting. Let's go. I'll help. Assault you with a deadly weapon.
I can't. They'll kill the big bald man.
When I was 18 years old, I saw for the first time in my life my father. My father was new, no more than maybe a month and a half since inception, since coming into existence. The story here is of a cat. This is the nature of the cat. When I see the cat, when I see my father, this little cat is at war. This little cat is, oh, lo and behold, not so little anymore. I said, okay, let me look at this here. What is my father doing to me? And it hit me all at once. My father is older now. My father is not a young man, and John is a young man. Why is John so powerful? John looks up and he thinks, now work at my copy. He needs his fingers in his pipe. It is the man's pipe. It's John's pipe. He is shot. And just like John, I too was wearing a shirt. And 5 days later, I was nude. I'd never seen a nude man before. And then I saw a man. What is this? Well, from that point on, I made sure I saw a man. Each day, I was wearing long leather. Could you imagine? Yes. Just like John, I too was wearing a head. One head. I will say this. Gas and rock and purity and nothing. I can look at John Arbuckle's head. It is the perfect head. Some things are mortal. I was a little mortal. Yes, of course. I used his life experiences to imagine John Arbuckle's head. I've seen my share of emotions in my brain, in my head. Looping, continuous looping. Okay, stay with me. You take the lavender, the salmon, the brown. You trace only the lavender. You can do anything. You can simplify the salmon down to just... You can replace the browns with greens, replace the table with a carpet, replace the carpet with a driveway. Now we have my father's house. It's replaced a food processor with food. It's replaced the planet with the universe. It still works. So I've studied the execution of old man.
Hey, preacher.
Shut up. Garbage. Mother. Make garbage men. Bodies.
It is my mom.
I can look at John's elbow. I can look at John's back. I can look at John Arbuckle. I'll see a near perfect man. It's eerie to me. There's no doubt in my mind. Hand is larger over elbow. My father is capable of anything. My father is a modern-day Socrates. his socks from centuries ago. He is St. John the Baptist. Very well may say the same things about 500 years that we say about centuries. My father is a close relative, and the son of my father is a mighty jungle cat lying somewhere between Africa and his ears. Powerful ears indeed. Who has the food processor? Where is the food? And it is true that sons living in the homes of fathers are nearly 25% more likely to see food. Where is house? This is a question. The research says, amazing. Poisoning can kill me. My father has some form of cancer. But these are facts. But after visiting 2 food processing plants, I came no closer to seeing the food. My father was killing me. My father was poisoning my salmon, poisoning my pot, poisoning my food. I too was shot in my head, in my back, in my eye. I was a homicide. My father hit me with a car, hit me with a rock and sock and food processor. This was a flawless execution of me. This was a homicide.
There he is. Talk to me.
I let you in.
I let you in.
His fingers.
What?
Food.
Oh shit. You there?
He's behind you now.
What the hell are you?
His head.
His head, knees, ass, hand, face, head,
Heads, back,
Nuts.
ass.
foot, ass,
Eye, cock eye, ears, hand, elbow, head, fingers, back.
Children did men.
British borders will remain illegal.
The world was stunned today by the death of the planet.
Witnesses at the scene say that
The planet was
illegal.
The planet
was later beaten to death by the British.
The world
Spat in the face of the working class.
The planet was 8,018 years and 8 minutes old.